What's up? It is June 12th. Just rolling out for the BFL on the Wolf River chain here in Winneconne, Wisconsin. Got the co-angler with us today. And yeah, we're going to try to catch a few bass. We're boat 105, so we're not really going to get on our spots, and hopefully there's no boats. Little one. This is a fish, right? She's a fish. Not 14 inches. Yeah. You need that? I got it. Alright. It might be 14. Yeah, he's probably like 13 inches. 13 incher. Huh? 13 incher. Little. I think it's sheep then. 'Thumbs up. That one? Yeah, I'm grabbing that. That? I don't know what it is, but it's nice. Yeah. Oh, that's a nice one. There you go. That's nice. Sick. Thank you. Yeah. Decent one. First keep in the morning. A good one. Yeah. Got that. Yeah, okay. There's a large mouth. There you go. Nice one. That is strange. It might eat the Texas rig a little bit better. Maybe. Oh. Maybe I might do some. What was that? That's a good one. I can't. Might be a few like that. Yeah. Good shit, bud. Stupid things. It tastes good. It tastes good. I have cattle. Huh? That's a good one. Using that? Yeah, I'd grab it. Huh? I get them out of weeds. There we go. That's a nice one. Yeah.
This is an average spot.
It is.
Huh?
I think we're only gonna fish up this a little bit more and then go to that bridge a little bit. It's number 3. It is 11:30.
You guys want to talk about? Good one?
Yeah,
Oh my.
What?
Something just surfaced like right after I flipped in there.
There you go. That's number 4 for you, right? If he's I believe that's number 4.
River channel comes out of the lake, and literally every cast, like a 15-minute period, I was catching a bass on a chatterbait.
Yeah.
And it was post spawn too, but it was just weird. It was just like a cold front, middle of a cold front, so it was just strange. But it, you never know. Stuff like that happens. Big one? Got him? Smallmouth? That's a nice smallmouth.
That is so weird, but I'm not going to complain.
I'm not either.
I think that's a 4-inch.
Is that number 5?
Yeah, if he measures. Yeah, I think it might be close. That's number 5 right there. Smallmouth. Really weird, up in some weeds. Weird color. All right, that was keeper number 5. We got, I don't know, maybe 10 or 11 pounds right now. Collinger Zach has 2 fish right now for, I don't know, 3 or 4 pounds, something like that. So yeah, we'll, it's like 11:30 or something. We'll try to catch some more fish.
Not bad.
It's crazy.
I think this thing goes pretty good. Hello, guy.
Probably the same fish I already caught.
Probably. It's the same spot.
It's a better one.
Cheaper? Oh yeah, that's cheaper.
Will he cull?
Probably.
Cull number 1, that's a 2-pound, 4-ounce fish. Calling out a 115.
Big one?
Nope.
Better?
I got him. Oh, that's a good one. Spitting up crawfish. I don't know. Alright. That one's a 2.5 pounder right there. That's a good one. He's got a call. Spit up a lot of crawfish when I both of them, so yeah. Alright, that 2.8 just called out a 2-pound, 2-ouncer. So looking at probably 11 or 12 pounds right now. We really need like a 3 or 4 pounder or a couple 3 or 4 pounders to have a chance of winning. Yeah.
It's not. Keeps it interesting. Helps you keep focused. What was that?
Probably catch something on it.
Yeah. Fish?
Yeah.
Big one?
I don't know. Oh yeah, big one.
That?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's a nice one.
Thank you. Yes.
That's a stud. That's gonna pull for sure.
Oh yeah. Set the net down. I got him. There we go. It's a good one. All right, that was a 3-pounder. Really good call. We got a couple minutes left here, but they're biting. All right, guys, tournament's over. I'm back at home, and let me explain what happened a little bit, because the GoPro's messing up, and I didn't really do a great job of showing what happened. And so before I caught those 3 fish, like at 11:30 to fill up my limit, I ran to a different spot, and I lost like a 3-pound smallmouth. And a 3-pounder out there is a really big one. Well, not really big, but a big one. It's like 15 pounds usually wins it. So that one really hurt. But then I ran to that bay, filled out my limit, made a little call, and I ran back to that spot where I lost the 3-pounder. And I lost another 3-pounder at the boat. The first one jumped off. The second one came off of the boat, and I was like, okay, that's all right. I already have a decent bag. And then I caught that 2.5-pound largemouth. Made me feel a little bit better, but I ran to a different spot for a little bit, came back, and I came back with like 15 minutes left. I was like, all right, let's see if we can't catch another cull or two. And ended up catching a couple sheep's head, and then boom, almost 2.5-pound smallmouth, and boom, 3-pound smallmouth. And I was like, okay, like at that point we had like 5 minutes left. After I caught that 3-pounder, I had 5 minutes left. And I was like, all right, last cast. Made the last cast. Me and my co-angler both got a fish on the last cast. So they were on. Another 30 minutes, probably could have won the tournament. That's how it goes. Ended up having to make like a 45, 50-minute run back in like 40 minutes. So it was kind of a stressful run back. I was just staring at the clock the whole time. And we ended up making it back, barely. We're the last boat back. And yeah, ended up in 8th place. I think we had like 13, or I had like 13 pounds, 10 ounces or something like that. So overall, I'm happy about it. I just wish I could have a little more time, but that's how it goes. Next BFL is in Lacrosse, and I'm excited about that one. So stay tuned. I'm going to keep on filming tournaments. And yeah, if you got any suggestions of what you want to see, drop a comment down below. So thanks for watching, and catch you guys later.